Bridge, Tower has good right, side express, training 622, 122.4, thank you.
124.4.
124.4, thank you. Carlisle, Pan. Golf Yankee Alpha Kilo, overhead, heading, and I've just gone down to 0 oil pressure.
Golf Yankee Alpha Kilo, Roger Pan, you intending to come into bound 2 at Carlisle?
Say again?
Are you inbound to Carlisle?
Hey, if I'm trying to make it back to you.
Roger, reporting out the enrollment side, only 25, my QFE 1027.
251027, Golf Kilo Kilo. Golf Yankee Alpha Kilo, 23 miles to run, bearing 33, magnetic, 3,700 feet, don't go overhead jetting.
Roger, reporting out the enrollment side.
Okay, Golf Kilo Kilo. Golf Kilo Kilo, I've now got slight oil leak now coming down the starboard side of the cockpit.
Okay, Roger, we're alerting the emergency services. Reported you intend to land somewhere on the field if you cannot make Carlisle.
Wilco, I might just try and route back a fine curve right just in case.
Roger, advise for your intentions when appropriate.
I try local golf course.
Go traffic, backtrack on the subway.
Kilo Kilo, I'm going to have to go for a field or some big heading somewhere.
Understand, you're landing the field of Keswick, the service wind at Carlisle is 290.115.
I'll keep you informed, I'm just going to climb a little bit, I'm at 3,700 feet.
Well, then we're descending to land in the field near Keswick.
Stand by, I'll keep you updated. I might try and find a bigger field towards Fossil or Embleton, somewhere like that.
Roger, report when you decide what to do and where you are.
Okay. I'm headed towards Curve Bride just because there's some larger fields down that way, then hopefully flatter.
Copy, Chile, good day.
Golf Field 2 from Golf India on schedule, response required. We are just off the Curve Bride at this time, so we'll remain on station. Kilo, engine's just about gone, I'm near Orton.
Traffic, I'll clear takeoff, service room 2705.
Clear takeoff, Charlie Hotel. Kilo, this is Romeo Oscar. I'm on direct traffic on the Maelstrom, Carlisle. If you can give me some idea, I'll try and assist you. We're ready for departure.
India Foxtrot, backtrack on the 25.
Backtrack runway 25, got 50 Foxtrot.
Go back to Romeo, and is in the vicinity of that yak. Go Charlie Hotel, Echo Romeo, turn on.
Negative.
Thank you.
If the Oscar Carlisle is, if the Oscar is just north of Curve Bride to 3,200 feet off service.
Roger, just give me a card for that traffic if you can.
Welcome. Carlisle from India Oscar, the last call I got, I don't think what it was, he was at Green Orton, or Orton he said.
Yes, we'll copy that. There's another aircraft out there looking for him.
Oscar, Control all set.
Yeah, Kilo Kilo has landed in the field near Boppo. He's okay. Not